What if I told you that you already have access to a tool that can organize your entire life, help you learn anything faster, give you endless ideas, and even improve your skills? And most people are barely using it correctly. That tool is artificial intelligence. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful and practical ways AI can help you in your daily life, using real apps you can start using today. And if you actually apply even a few of these, you'll notice a huge difference in your productivity, focus, and results. So make sure you stay until the end. Let's get into it. 1. Organize your day automatically. Most people wake up without a plan. They check their phone, respond to messages, and just react to whatever happens during the day. That's why they feel busy all the time, but don't actually get important things done. They are active, but not productive. AI can fix that instantly. You can use ChatGPT as your personal daily planner. Just give it your tasks and say, "Organize my day in a productive schedule based on these tasks and priorities." And in seconds, it can break your day into time blocks. Morning focus, deep work sessions, afternoon tasks, breaks, and evening routines. This is something that can save you a lot of time and mental energy because you're no longer deciding what to do every hour. The key benefit here is removing decision fatigue. When you already know what comes next, your brain stays focused on execution instead of planning. Then you can take that plan and move it into Google Calendar, so everything becomes structured with reminders and alerts. This makes it much easier to stay consistent. Result: you stop reacting to your day and start controlling it. 2. Learn anything faster. Learning used to take hours of reading, watching videos, and getting confused. Now AI changes everything. With Khan Academy, you can learn math, science, and many other subjects in a structured and simple way. But the real power comes when you combine it with ChatGPT. You can ask things like, "Explain this like I'm a beginner. Give me a simple summary in 5 bullet points. Test me on this topic." And instead of getting stuck, you get instant explanations and feedback. You can also take notes or long lessons and ask AI to simplify them. This is especially powerful if you're studying or trying to learn a new skill quickly. Another powerful technique is active learning. Instead of just reading, you interact with AI. You ask questions, test yourself, and repeat until you fully understand. The biggest mistake people make is stopping after one question. The real learning happens when you keep asking follow-ups. Result: you understand more in less time and with less stress. 3. Create content faster and easier if you create content. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anything else, you already know how hard it is to start from zero. AI removes that problem completely. With Canva, you can generate designs, thumbnails, presentations, and social media posts using AI tools. You don't need to be a designer anymore. You just describe what you want, and the tool creates it for you. Then, for video creation and editing, you can use CapCut. It helps you automatically add subtitles, cut clips, and even enhance your videos with effects. This means you don't need advanced editing skills to create professional-looking content. You can also use AI to generate scripts before recording. This gives you a clear structure and saves time. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes. Result: you create more content with less effort and higher quality. 4. Generate unlimited ideas. One of the biggest mental blocks people face is not knowing what to do next. No ideas, no direction, no motivation. AI solves that instantly. With ChatGPT, you can ask, "Give me 20 YouTube video ideas in my niche. Give me 10 online business ideas with low investment. Give me content ideas that are trending right now." Instead of waiting for inspiration, you create systems for ideas. And here's something powerful. Don't just use one idea, combine them. Take 2 ideas and merge them into something unique. This is how creativity actually works. Result: you never run out of things to create or work on. 5. Solve problems with better thinking. Sometimes you're stuck not because there is no solution, but because you're only seeing one perspective. AI helps you break that limitation. With ChatGPT, You can describe your situation in detail and ask, "Give me 3 different solutions. What would a business expert do in this situation? What am I missing here?" This gives you an outside perspective instantly. It's like having a second brain that doesn't get emotional or overwhelmed. You can even ask AI to analyze the pros and cons of each solution. This helps you make better decisions instead of guessing. Result: you make clearer, smarter decisions faster. 6. Boost your productivity. Productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing things better and faster. With Notion, you can organize your entire life. Tasks, projects, notes, goals, everything in one place. And if you write emails, essays, or scripts, Grammarly helps you fix grammar, improve clarity, and write more professionally in seconds. Instead of wasting time editing and rewriting, you focus on the actual work. You can also use AI to create to-do lists, summaries, and action steps from large amounts of information. When tasks feel simple, you are more likely to complete them. Result: you save hours every week without realizing it. 7. Improve your skills by practicing with AI before. If you wanted to practice something like speaking or interviews, you needed another person. Now you don't. With Duolingo, you can learn languages in a structured way that adapts to your level. But you can go even further with ChatGPT. You can simulate real situations like job interviews, business conversations, daily speaking practice in another language. And the best part is that you can practice anytime without pressure or judgment. Consistency is the key to improving any skill, and AI makes it easier to practice regularly. Result: you improve faster because you practice more consistently. Artificial intelligence is not the future anymore. It's the present. And the truth is, the difference between people who grow fast and people who stay stuck is not intelligence. It's how they use the tools available to them. Now you already have 7 real ways to apply AI in your daily life using real apps. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and learned something new, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment below what other AI topics you want me to cover next. See you in the next video.